everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for AliExpress application. So let's get started without further ado. Open your AliExpress application from your app drawer, and once you do that, you'll end up on this page. From the page, go ahead and select your country from the drop down and tap on continue. You'll then be redirected to the explore page. Tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner and tap on the sign in or register link at the top. It'll then take you to this page. You can sign up for AliExpress with various of methods. From the list displayed on the screen, you can go ahead and sign in using your Apple account, your existing Facebook account, or your Google account. If you want to opt out for more, you can tap on more options and enter your email or select any one options at the bottom. In today's video, let's go ahead and sign in with Google. Tap the sign in with Google option if you want to do the same and tap on continue. You'll then need to enter your Google account's credentials. Enter your email address associated with your Google account in the first text box. Once you are done, tap on next. Now go ahead and enter your Google account's password. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by tapping on Forgot Password at the bottom. After typing in the password, tap on Next to log into your Google account. Once you are done, you'll be able to sign up and create a new account for AliExpress. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.